Hello students, how are you? I am sure that all of you will be safe and sound at your home. My dear students, regarding our previous discussion, we have already finished a chapter related with our beehive, like the title, The Fun They Had. Just after finishing that very chapter related with our prose section, today we have to start the first chapter related with our poetry section. And the poem here like The Road Not Taken. So all of you minutely, carefully and seriously focus my today's video and follow me. The Road Not Taken. It's the poem composed by Robert Frost. So my dear students, just before going to start any explanations related with the poem, first of all, I try my best to provide a very brief description about the poet like Robert Frost. Robert Lee Frost was born on 26th March 1874 and died on Jan 29, 1963. He was an American poet. His work was initially published in England before it was published in America. Known for his realistic depictions of rural life and his command of American colloquial speech, Frost frequently wrote about setting from rural life in New England in the early 20th century, using them to examine complex social and philosophical themes. Now, just after providing you such a brief description about Robert Frost, we will have to think about the poem like The Road Not Taken. As for introduction, in the poem The Road Not Taken, the road symbolizes our life. The poet says that the path that we don't choose in our lives is the road not taken. He describes his feeling about that choice that he had left in the past. So we must be wise while making choices. Now, the verses of the poems. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I couldn't travel both. And be one traveller, long I stood and looked down one as far as I could. Now, on the basis of these verses, actually here the poet wanted to suggest us that to where it bent in the underground used to go two ways through an old forest, and the grief was that I couldn't go on both the paths, and being single I stood for a long time and went as far as one way could see, kept looking till that point J had turned into the bushes and had disappeared from the eye. Now the second stage is here like the verses, then took the other just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear, through as far that the passing there had owned them really about the same. Now, the exact explanation of these verses I could have to suggest you that on the basis of these all the verses, the poet here wanted to suggest us, wanted to convey a message for us that then I choose the other way. It was equally good and probably had more authority over me. Because the road was greener and not more old. Although as far as the people who passed there were concerned, people on both the roads had actually owned them evenly. Now, my dear students, rest part of this poem we will have to discuss next day. Thanks a lot. God bless you and hope to see you again.